Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Oppo phone guys Applock full setting. How to set up Applock in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to set up Applock in Oppo mobile, so how to set up Applock in the video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface on your Oppo mobile. Friends, click here Oppo mobile, privacy setting. After privacy setting, friends, click here Applock setting, and friends set privacy password first. So friends, you want to start Applock, so guys first click here setting and guys set your privacy password first. Select your password type. So friends, I will use privacy passwords 1 2 3 4 5 6. Use 1 2 3 4 5 6, and friends enter your security question and guys remember your security question, it is very helpful. Okay friends, after the security question friends you want to lock any app on your device. Friends, example I will lock Chrome app, calendar app, I will lock Facebook and file. And friends, you can check when I will on Chrome app on my device. Friends, you can see Chrome app is locked. So when enter your privacy password and you can unlock your Chrome app and you can use it. Same setting I with Facebook, file, calendar. If you own calendar, you won't use calendar. Enter your privacy password and you can unlock your calendar app and you can use it. And friends, again click here privacy setting, Applock setting. Enter your Applock password. After enter Applock password, friends, you can see locked app. And which app friends you want to unlock, you can unlock app. And friends, if you click two dots right side, click here setting, and friends you can see change privacy password setting. Click here, enter your password. After enter password, friends, you want to remove your Applock password, you want to remove your privacy password, you can remove from here. And friends, you want to change your Applock password, so enter your old password and friends select your new password type and you can select new password for your Applock. And friends, you don't want to use password, so friends click here turn off password, turn off, enter your password. After enter password, friends Applock remove and you cannot use friends Applock on your device. Click here privacy setting again, friends click here Applock. Friends, you cannot use first, you will have to set privacy password. So like that friends, we can set up Applock, we can use Applock setting on Oppo mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt, so you can ask me in the comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.